beautiful family, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe either now or at the end of the video. And if you stumbled across this video, it's not by chance, sweetie. You sign by subscribe. And today I have a very beautiful guest from my previous video. If you watched it, you guys know who she is by now. Introduce yourself once again for those that don't know me.
Saying really, guys. Hi guys, Ikamalam Dimpo, and as you guys know, different cousin
Titsala, and that's all. Titsala. Period. Okay, so in today's video, guys, we are doing a mukbang / crazy girlfriend tag. So disclaimer: if you do not like watching people eat or hearing chewing sounds and all that, please kindly leave this video right now, because you will be eating and talking at the same time. And just but it's how Tina, it is impossible to answer. Possible. That's on period. So we're going to be having, I think my band is we're gonna have some dunked wings and red grape juice as usual, and pizza. It's open man. So good. Yeah, girl.
So guys, I'll be reading out the questions.
So it's the crazy girlfriend take, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. What's the first question, my darling?
So the first question is your boyfriend allowed to have a female bestie?
This is a difficult one, but it will depend. It depends if you go female bestie a corner or female bestie if you get to corner. Yeah,
guys, no.
It depends.
I am EDO.
This is so big.
No female besties. Noba ufike ndikhona, noba ndifike ukhona, akho need. I-best friend yakho ndim. Best friend yakho ndiyi-soulmate, ndiyi-girlfriend, ndiyo yonke into. So therefore, akho need a female bestie son.
Kodwa nyani, why would you have a female bestie brown a girlfriend? But because I don't come now when I'm male bestie. I'm male bestie.
Nah, but you're allowed to form a male bestie.
Exactly. I can have male friends, but not the bestie. The best, the title is special.
The second question: your man fetches you and another girl is sitting in the front seat.
We are. Lima, we are.
Oh,
maybe it's his sister.
That's obviously not his sister, but
some random girl.
What can you? Oh, female bestie, low.
We are female bestie. Not. Where's she going? When you're not. Where's she going?
I'm going to Santa's.
Baso, where are you guys coming from? Okay, you're dropping her off. Nisokapi.
Basuka.
Yes. Basuka.
Okay. If
second.
Najifikile. Or if Bazon Tata and a girl is sitting in the front seat.
Yes.
Girl, Maka epic seat.
That's where she belongs.
I'm just doing some galogas.
Exactly. You bump that back.
The third question is it necessary to have your boyfriend's phone password? It's not necessary. It's not necessary, but it's fine. So that access the phone yakho xa indeed. Day page. The fourth question.
Okay, Nima, while we sit there and do your page phone here, do you guys go through your man's phone?
I do.
Alright, Jumbles.
I do.
I would love that.
Let's
so
I need your bandit. I eat what do we need.
But you'll never know until
you find out.
I don't go through that problem. But then does it, don't you think? Also with detective, I'm sure it's time for you to exit.
That's it. It's not even about
detective.
When Tambi Okondeni not that we are cheat sometimes we suspect about there's a conversation between you and you don't but in J conversation like in the
surprise. And the conversations do not like to part in your best friend. But you boys, I'm a cheater. I know everything. I'm a cheater.
Which that's the second question.
Yes. What's that tongue, however?
The next question. What would you do if your man's mother does not like you?
Yeah.
Oh, see me. But what would you do, Ndasi?
Now just but unless the content ends in layo. How do you please mama umdana? This is a tough one. Because you can't even make him choose between when and mama I make a sense. Unlock the phone timber. I am the sana. Ube no monster in law. Yo.
That's not yes. Kanyenzeleka ndingayikwakhe tu.
Masiti, the guy wants you guys to get married. Obviously, who's a man?
Oh my god.
But I'm telling you about time. As I speak this movie.
Now why you gonna mama sala any issues? Why is there any issue now? I can't need. The next question. You I can Google it.
What does this I wanna know?
Your man has a very weird fashion sense. What would you do?
Joanna, you fucking don't have
what if you're Mtanda, like personality wise and he's good looking? But go on answer Mark.
I'm not sure. What do I want to say? Right, I'm not saying.
I don't know. I was bahash. What baby has not fun in the TV. The guy baby the TV in the TV not fun and that's all you get in there.
Come on, no stand, son.
You are. Okay. Come with the sis.
Must not in a book. I'm so.
Even worse. KK.
I'm getting
you would come to KK.
Oh my god. Carla.
Next question. Would you go to a strip club with your man?
Sazbanda. Still team somebody.
Just for entertainment. It's not like cause of money.
Jimmy entertainment, yeah.
Yes.
Ransom said. Yeah.
So you wouldn't allow him?
Oh yeah, Jimmy entertainment, Jimmy strip and guys, not girlfriend. I have all the roles. Tim, would you?
Yes, good. I would. I would.
Yeah, the strip club. Hey, that's entertainment is the lens.
I wouldn't mind. Just to
freshen
spice, just to freshen up his
freshen show.
Next question. Would you take back the stuff you bought your man after a breakup? Sabi for me tell you bakhona ke sana abantu abanjalo. Saba intondon, saba intondon. I wouldn't, Mashem.
Don't say to Milan.
Big gift must.
Exactly, it was a heart. Yeah, but from a Zans and
so I don't need about we tada babe. Right now.
I wouldn't take the gifts back. No matter how the relationship ended, what I gave you, that
was dim.
It's just not so beyond.
I'm just so beyond. I'm going about
Ombule. I'm not sure. Second hand.
Oh, Zim. What's the question about that?
Oh no.
7. Question number 8. Is your man allowed to be friends with his exes?
It's depend. On what? Maybe how they broke up and yes. But do you think that's a good past yakho? I don't know.
Wena?
Don't speak to
What
them.
if a boyfriend yakho was friends with the ex? What would you do?
No, I'm not going to talk. I'm cut them off. Got it.
I understand why is Abazicho. Okay, even if mhlambi break up ibe right, there's no need to be friends like bene number yakhe nincokole WhatsApp akho need. Akho need mntase, akho need. Bathetha ntoni? Nangumbuzo wami bathetha ntoni?
Tothe nam.
Nyani, bancokola ntoni ndikhona? Akho need shem. Akho need to. Question number 9. Is your man allowed to go out to a party or events without you?
I go out of this relationship.
Everywhere he goes, MTN.
I can't need him, does there? I can't need, like, you can go out, not so much then, but I much this is but I would want.
Come no life.
I exactly like you be happy without me, be happy, be your own person, didn't we're so dependent on also not.
Question number 10. Is your man allowed to buy things for other girls?
Who other girls get out? Because the sisters like him, who other girls would be
side dish.
Kaboling in the stew. Kaboling in the sibling. It's okay.
Okay, my city. Is he allowed to buy each of like this is a girl's gifts?
Yes, but if I go better than that. As long as you're not gonna chop it on your dagger.
Extreme.
A bit extreme, I'm not doing that.
I'm telling you MacBook. I'm telling you.
Start trying to Nokia. And Nokia, there's no way.
The last question. Is your man allowed to like or react on other girls' pictures on social media?
Yeah, it's not that deep. Yeah, what DMs is it deep?
Ain't nothing, does it? Girls sometimes have the wrong interpretation of izinto. Can be a boyfriend is our react with the heart to pictures like oh girl azigqibele ba ungcwasile
ndiyafuna ndiyiwante
kanti akho nto, it's not that deep. So he is allowed, but mantombazana
abantu abarayithi asikho abantu abarayithi
abalunganga sithi
kandifuni
emntaze
sometimes utyelwe just uba ufuna ukuspayitha akho nto makho mantombazana adip man. Guys, moving on to the next question. I'm the one reading the questions now. Is a man allowed to keep gifts from his ex?
But what if when your ex bought you a gift and you still
really
have
like it? However, he can keep them.
If
he really likes the gift, then guys, like
as long as it's not a recent gift,
like but so I would we might as well keep it while we have if he really likes it then. Does opinion yamajida matter?
amajida ebetheni
amajida guys ayabhayizisa andithanda namajida andi-encourage amajida andithanda
boyfriend does say how do I put this? A boyfriend that values opinions zethu like too much.
Red flag.
Why?
Red flag. Amajita matter more than you. He doesn't spend time with you. We are the magic. What's that link at the magic? Can you not be surgeons? That is why magic.
I know I can dish.
Can you not be say guys like tell me in the comments by magic? What's on? Another question: is it necessary for a man to give you money? If he has
a relationship.
This shouldn't even be a question. Without a doubt.
Standard procedure. Ungena kwi relationship uyazi ba uzandibheja.
Sawuthola sana. Ungena mali ngaphandle.
Obviously I'll understand ba ungena mali. Like there's nothing you can do awuna mali. But xa una imali ungandibheji. Hayibo.
Should your man be active on social media?
Indoda mayibe sisiporho ku social media.
But that's what people use nowadays. I don't know that how.
I can't do cracky jokes as lame on Facebook.
For reactions.
Tula ku Facebook.
Jan is calm and collected. If we Jan, but calm and collected is not that chance.
And you don't entertain everyone.
Like it's unjani calm and London that too active on social media. I was my Jan. A man should not be too social. Too social. Yeah. Sunbeat. Sunbeat. Is a man allowed to laugh at other hands' posts?
Oh, I want a magahle.
No,
I book guys. I book guys. I book magahle.
Don't I make you laugh?
Oh,
I don't move.
I'm going to go to
like you can laugh, but I also has don't be always laughing, guys. So man, how would you react if your man is a groovist weekend
who? You had to say can't again.
Every weekend
because guys.
We are mad on Friday. We have to support some of our Monday. Tuesday morning.
But for Nana, you.
John, we can't. So it's John about your lava.
And the amount that I understand. That's
like I want us to spend time together when I will. Begeli beg.
Gents.
Begeli beg. Go plaga. Yeah. Sleep with the plaga. I don't know how to talk. I won't that.
From
Begeli beg.
Thursday. Oh baby. Because of Monica Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday is a bene papalas.
Every weekend is that. Every weekend is good. I go in weekends of Corona guys that callers. So I know yeah. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday sometimes.
Friday.
Guys, do not hang up your groovist. Please. I'm not saying that he shouldn't drink and go have fun.
Not all,
but don't overdo it. See back. Are other girls allowed to sit on your man's lap?
Fondoni. Noba ungubani. I don't care. Why?
Like I was this. That pants. Back on down. That pants. It's all around. That pants. I can't guys. Do not sit on my man's lap, please. It's not even it's a no. From now.
And now it's a big no.
How do you even start? How do you even do it? Guys. Another one. Another question. Are other girls allowed to wear your men's clothing?
Now, I personally, if for example, let's say we are to go and then no shushu and no boyfriend shushu, but then go my friend and my boyfriend is willing to buy that's fine, I wouldn't mind. And when wrong. It's just a jacket.
It's just a jacket.
And then my boyfriend gives me into combat.
I might go to the sea. I some easy.
Oh,
what do you mean? But guys, when I was in a crew, no, we are in the early hours of the morning. Obviously, yeah, but I'm just not saying.
Does I can't imagine a look close? Yes,
I'm not calling you, maybe. Maranyameza, new summer, summer corner, new summer come, does it? New summer.
Oh,
I bet it's again, you went. It's again, you went.
What if
You summer can see a listen to my dog. Yes, Club Beauty and Yamazela, my love.
Next question.
Alright, next, and this is the last one we've been eating. Is your man allowed to take another hand home?
Baby, good thing. And I say, for instance, I come and I'll go Uber, but can't cab.
I can't be kept on watch.
I didn't have my cab, Mutasa.
What's that?
And I'm just eating like
Yours or to you? Something.
if it's someone I know, and mind not a stranger.
Random hand. If it's a song, but I haven't done now.
I trust issues.
But it also depends on the daughter. If it's a
loose.
And that's why it looks molecule, you will be worried.
Because we must that doesn't go to
yes. So it depends on that. But how is your man like? Let me have the last drink and then we close off this vlog video. Vlog. I hope you guys had enjoyed the video. Nani like me pendu about are you a crazy girlfriend? Are we crazy girlfriends? Not in the West. Yeah, sure.
How we not random
like are we crazy?
Oh, pretty much in the more quality.
Guys, like tell us I'm crazy girlfriends or what? But I'm here. I'm not one my understanding girlfriend.
Yo,
but just like understanding girlfriend.
Just say yeah, Canada.
Wash on now, 1999.
Go was that?
Don't write on my understanding girlfriend. I'm sorry. So maybe I am a crazy girlfriend. Anyway, guys, I think we have eaten quite a lot of food. If you have enjoyed this video, please tell them what to do.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and please share the video if you can. Please.
Of course they can, never. They can.
So that Uzi can get to 1K subs.
So thank you so much for watching. My clean up private then you can close off. So guys, if you're not become mean, please the way you chew, how do you speak with food in your mouth? Oh, no.
Please don't judge us.
Please, this is how I eat on a regular day. This is how I eat. If you know my quick camera and other camera, like this is how I eat. So please guys don't judge me. It's probably gonna be mukbang. Maybe I have food stuck in between my teeth. Maybe I have food all over my face. The mukbang, I can't see myself right now. So please don't mean it, and was obvious. The comment section, then I don't have to hold from the bottom of my heart. Yes, positive vibes. We're spreading positivity, guys. Good comment section, please. I'm rambling. Let's close up this video. We love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye.